So good afternoon to everybody. My name is Ilda I.Mannino and I'm one of the two coordinators of this course. I'm an environmental scientist and the other coordinator is an economist. And this is the first clue that we respect the pillars of the program, the globalization program, but also that economy and environment can get along. And this is something that we will talk about a lot during the course. This is an interdisciplinary course. We have 6 thematic modules, and they involve different lecturers. So we will have lecturers and experts involved that have a different background. Again, to go back to the interdisciplinary idea. So the starting idea of the course is that globalization has a lot to do with the environment, mainly in 2 ways. On one side, globalization has a lot of environmental impacts, and on the other one, we have many environmental issues, very hot environmental issues that has a lot to do with the global scale. This is the reason why we introduce also this course in the program, and the idea is that in order to face the sustainable development goal, that is the real challenge of our globalized world, we have to take into consideration the environment, but we have to take it into consideration in relationship with the other aspects, like economy, like social aspects and political aspects. So in the first module, that is an introductory one, we will define what sustainable development is, and we will start speaking about the relationship between economy and the environment. Then we will deep further this aspect in the next 2 modules, in particular focusing on the role of industry and firms for promoting sustainable development. In module 2, speaking about industrial ecology, that is a quite new discipline. And in module 3, speaking about corporate social responsibility. So as said, this is a traditional course at VIU, but we have also something new this year. We decided to introduce in the 4th module the topic of environmental international agreements, as political aspect is really fundamental in the sustainable development and globalization debate. The last 2 modules are instead they are conceived as case studies modules. So we will try to analyze from the different point of view the 2 problems. The first one is climate change. As I mentioned, this is one of the hot environmental issues that has a global scale. And we will consider it from a scientific point of view, but also from economic point of view, social and technological point of view, and political, of course. And in the last module, we'll speak about China, because China is one of the key actors in this globalized world from many points of view, in terms of productions, consumption, but also pollution. And just to close my speech, I want to remind you that this will be a very interactive course with discussion, debates, but also seminars and site visits that are organized in collaboration with the course on cities and the course on global value chains. So I hope to see many of you next week in my class, and thank you.